Today we will discuss the class 5th class. The English subject is rain. Rain. Generally we see in rainy season the raindrops come from the clouds, come from the sky. The rain pours. Without rain, there is no food. Without rain, there is no human being. Without rain, each and every human being remaining with starvation. बिना पानी रे बिना वर्षा रे समस्त भोकिला रुहंती, किसी खाइबा के मिले नहीं. बिना पानी रे गछपत्र हेबनी कि फसल हेबनी. सो आज हम पढ़िबा रेन. The rain is raining all around. Rain is raining all around. चतुर्दिगरे all around, सबुआडे. It falls on field and trees. It means rain. It means rain. It falls on the field. Field माने जमी बा पड़िया. Field means जमी बा पड़िया. And trees. गछ ऊपर मध्य पड़छि वर्षा. जमी ऊपर पड़छि, नदी ऊपर पड़छि, पहाड़ पर्वत सबुआडे पड़छि पानी. It rains on an umbrella here. एटा पड़जारे छता ऊपर मध्य जे छता धरछि छता ऊपर पड़छि, किंतु छता तळे थिबा लोक ऊपर पड़ुनी. The rain pours on the umbrella, top of the umbrella. So, and on the ships at sea. समुद्र भीतर जाओ तो जहाज ऊपर मध्य वर्षा होउछि. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the green grass. Green grass माने सबुज पड़िया ऊपर होउछि. And rain on the trees. Rain आगुडोछि गछ ऊपरे. And rain on the house top. वर्षा ऊपर होउछि house top. घर छत ऊपर होउछि. But not upon me. But not upon me. मो ऊपर वर्षा पड़नी. काहे पड़नी? Because I had umbrella or I have remained in the house. जो माने घर भीतर रहता है ऊपर वर्षा पड़.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates on Swami Vivekananda ideologies and our Sri Vivekananda Vidya Mandir group of institutions.